Teachers' Day is a special day dedicated to all teachers and appreciate their special contribution toward education. The role of teachers in everyone's life is great as they are the only visual source of knowledge. It is observed with much joy by the students who organize several events to entertain their teachers. Students give gifts to teachers, sing songs for them, felicitate them and do lots of similar things to show their love and respect. I salute you teachers for being available there 365 days for us. You have also taught us how to deal with modern day problems, day-to-day life. At last, by conclude my speech, I would like to say 2 lines from my teacher. जो बनाए हमें इंसान और दे सही गलत की पहचान, देश की उन माताओं को हम करते हैं सत सत प्रणाम.
Person sir and teachers and all of you present here. I am Ankita Priyadarshini of class 8 here to share my views on the importance of the day. But before I deliver my speech, I want to chant Guru Mantra. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurube Namah. Today is the Teachers' Day, the birthday of the second president of our country, as well as the greatest philosopher of the world, Sir Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was born of a poor Brahmin family in the village of Sarvapalli in Madras on 5th September 1888. He was a great scholar. He became topper in graduation in the university, having honors in philosophy. In the latter part of his life, he was making lecture in the Presidency College of Madras. The mode of teaching and explaining was so light that the pupils of other classes were attracted by it and came to listen to his lecture. After doctorate, Radhakrishnan became professor and head of the Department of the Philosophy in Mysore University. He wrote several books which brought him name and fame worldwide. Radhakrishnan popularized in the Eastern philosophy and particularly in the Hindu philosophy in the Western world. In latter, he became Vice Chancellor of Benares Hindu University, the Vice President of the country, the Ambassador of Russia and the President of the country. He was more famous as a teacher and a philosopher than the President of the country. When the country wanted to celebrate his birthday, he dedicated it to be celebrated as Teachers' Day. Teachers are the makers of the destiny of the country. There is a Sanskrit verse which are Agyanam Timirandhasya Gyananjana Salakaya Chaksu Umnitam Jena Tasmai Shri Gurube Namah. It means teachers open the eyes of the student and displays the darkness of ignorance by applying the balm of light of knowledge. I salute to such a teacher. The teacher is the guardian, friend and philosopher of the student. Those who respect their teachers, they can only stand in their life. With the homage to the great soul as well as teachers of mine, with this I conclude my speech. Thank you.
Gurubha Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Good afternoon to the Honorable Chairperson of the meeting, distinguished invited judges whose presence has enhanced the beauty of this celebration, other dignitaries sitting on the dais, respected principal sir, vice principal sir, and my all dear teachers, and my all dear brothers and sisters. My name is Subhasmita Maharana. I am a student of class 9. I want to share my thoughts on Teachers' Day, but before that I first offer a heartfelt pranam to all gurus and respected persons present here. Today is 5th September. We are celebrating Teachers' Day. At first, I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September every year in India to make the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was the second President of India. He was not only the second President of India, but also an excellent teacher, a great scholar. His contribution towards the field of education is greatly admired. He Teachers Day is the best way for students to express their love and respect for their teachers. They are one's opportunity to thank our all teachers for their constant support and direction. I would express my gratitude for their presence and dedication to our education. They really plays an important role in the education of students. They usually become individuals with proper vision, knowledge and experience. The teacher has many important roles in the education of students, society, people and the country. The development and growth of people, students, society and the country is depend on the quality of education which is given only by a good teacher. Our teachers do not consider us less than our own child and teach us diligently. As a child, when we need inspirations and encouragement, which we definitely wisdom. As a child, without a teacher, we cannot imagine a good life. A good teacher is like a candle to consume itself to light the way for others. They plant seeds of knowledge that grow forever. Books gives us knowledge, but our teachers convert it into wisdom. So we should always respect our teacher, obey their order and follow their advice. My all teacher will always remain fresh in my memory and show me the right path throughout my life. At last, I further bow my head at the fact of teachers and conclude my speech with a short poem. आप देते हो हमको शिक्षा, फिर लेते हो हमारी परीक्षा. गलती करे तो समझाते हो आप, रोए जब हम हंसाते हो आप. ज्ञान का दीप आप जलाकर हमको चमकाते हो. विद्या का जल हमें पिलाकर जीने का दंड सिखाते हो. इसीलिए मैं कहती हूँ, जीवन में कुछ पाना है तो शिक्षक का सम्मान करे. शीश झुकाकर आदर से हम उनको प्रणाम करें. Thank you. Teacher and all my dear friends, myself Santoshi Maharana. We are celebrating here Teachers Day. At first, I wish you a very happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated